Hi, this is Mrs. M with the Janitorial Spot. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure if you're interested in learning all about what you need to do to start or grow your cleaning business that you tune into us every time we have a new video. And to make sure you're able to do that, make sure you subscribe below and you'll receive live streams as well as our videos. So today I am going to talk about construction cleanup. So we get a lot of questions from individuals who are wanting to get started in the cleaning business and they have an interest in construction cleanup. So I'm going to tell you the 4 types that we normally teach and that we've actually done ourselves. So once again, thank you for for actually joining the Janitorial Spot channel, and let's get started. So first, there is rough. Rough construction cleanup is when you have everything that is normally, this is not for new, this is for if you're doing a renovation. So you may have large debris, trash, old sinks, cabinets. This is when you normally need the large dumpster. Now those dumpsters can be expensive if you are not working with someone that provides the dumpster. We normally work with companies that are the project manager and we're actually the sub. So that may be the route you want to take. So the first part is the rough clean. That's when you go in and remove all the debris, the trash and everything. That's considered the rough clean. That can be very, very laborious and very expensive if you don't already have a crew that knows how to do rough cleaning. You do need a skill set to be able to do that. The second part is pre. Pre may just be a little downgrade from the rough clean. That's when you go in and you may just sweep and get the debris, not large trashed items where you need a dumpster, but pre-clean for post-construction or for construction would be pre. The pre, like I said, would be the next step after the rough clean, when you go in and you still remove small trash items and get the space ready and prepped for your post clean. Now, some individuals have never done a rough, they've done a pre, and that's when they've gone actually into the construction site and just got the location prepared for the post. So you have your rough, you have your pre, then the construction comes in, the construction crew comes in and does the renovation. They then would have the post clean. The post clean is when you go in and you get everything cleaned up. You actually do the physical cleaning. All the trash has been removed and the construction has been done. So then you would go in and you clean the restrooms. You would clean all the items, remove all the dust, the any type of floor that has dust or the construction dust. All that's removed to actually get your clients ready to move in to the space. And the last is final clean. The final clean are the final touches. That's when you normally go in and you're doing the pretty stuff. You're putting the shiny wax on the floor. You're going in and you're doing polishing, going in and doing the stainless steel. So the post-construction is when you go in and you remove like the blue construction tape, the paint from the windows, and you're doing all it's not heavy at all, but you're getting the space actually prepared for someone to take over. The final clean is when you go in and you've done all the punch outs and you're going in to actually get it for them to move in the next day. So the final clean, just remember, it's the pretty stuff. That's your dressing. And the rough is when you're gutting it out, you're removing all the guts, everything. And then there's the pre is when you're doing getting all the dust and stuff and sweeping the space, but you're not doing the heavy lifting. And then the post is the cleanup after the construction. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, please visit us at www.thejanitorialspot. We have a training with our membership for $97 a year where we go into great detail via PDF. You have downloads, templates, and also you have videos where we do a lot more instructing on the construction and the rough, the pre, the post, and the final. Construction is a very, very lucrative business, so you want to make sure you get started in that if you haven't as well already. So once again, visit us at www.thejanitorialspot.com or give us a call at 1-800-601-2730, extension 106. Have a fantastic day, and thanks for visiting us. Take care.